Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Bueller here with another stunning aircraft to tell you about. This is our specialty, only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. So today I have a 2000 Baron58 to show you. No nice certified factory air conditioning and lots to love. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engines. Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower engines, 575 on both engines since major overhaul, and your props, 677 since prop overhaul. Of course, we all know the Baron is the iconic piston light twin, perfect for any transportation needs, business or pleasure. You're going to want to take your things with you. We can load up to 300 pounds up front. So you can see this Baron is fully equipped, known ice certified, well equipped to take us to our dream and business and pleasure destinations. Plenty of fuel to do just that, 166 gallons. The exterior of this Baron is stunning. Matterhorn white overall with red and charcoal stripes with silver metallic swoosh. Excellent condition. 1,489 hours on the airframe since new. So we love the large double cargo doors about the Baron. It's so easy to load our folks and our things. Useful load 1542. Now when it comes to seating configuration, you know it's versatile. Folks can face each other, or we can move the seats around so everyone faces forward. We can even remove a seat, and I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, remove a pin, and we are good to go. So come on in, check out the interior with me. It is in excellent condition. Pewter leather seats, beautiful gray carpet, sidewalls in excellent condition, the headliner, the executive writing desk, I don't know if it was ever used, all in beautiful condition, and 6-place intercom system and shoulder harnesses for everyone. So let's check out your flight deck. You'll enjoy a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS, also a Garmin 430 GPS Navcom with WAAS. Your transponder is a Garmin with ADS-B out. We have active traffic on board, BFG Skywatch active traffic. You'll enjoy vertical profile color radar. Yaw damp is a King KFC 225 yaw damp, and your Autopilot is a King KFC 225 Autopilot with Flight Director and HSI. You will also enjoy Altitude Preselect, altitude and vertical speed Preselect, and a Stormscope displayed on the 530 and 430. Other features you will appreciate: co-pilot brakes, factory air conditioning, super soundproofing. The aircraft is certified for known ice, pilot's relief tube, top and bottom streamlined beacons, Stormscope clear switch, and more. So this beautiful 2000 Baron58 is looking for a new home. Great maintenance, well maintained. You can see how beautiful she is. Only 575 on the engine since major overhaul. Beautiful interior, and you know, factory air conditioning, certified for known ice. Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. Lots to love here, so give us a call. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. This is our specialty. Come take a test drive. Life is better with the Baron. We hope to see you soon. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.